Here's SnackShort app, so let's just tap get to install it. So just double click to install it. Here is the app. It's kind of alternative to drama short or real short, where you can watch some quick dramas on your laptop, on your phone, obviously. Looking for activities when idle at home, looking for something to pass a few minutes on the subway. Feels like the traditional dramas take too much time. Now here comes the perfect app for you, SnackShort, the next generation content platform. We offer today's most popular bite-sized shows for a quick bite of pizza. With scripts from our own creators and professional crews, SnackShort brings you high-quality content along with HD and smooth streaming services. Latest dramas will be created and released every week. Romance, CEO, Werewolf, Vampire Vengeance. So they offer original content, and then yeah, here you just can go in here and see how it works. So this is just the process, and then you have all these dramas here. You can just see them. Then there are also novels, so this is something new. Then there are gifts. You have some check-ins. So check-in successful. Then you can just earn bonus coins. You can enable notifications, and then there is me tab. You have your account. Then there is monthly subscription. It's quite expensive. This is just the price of in Danish krona, so it's like $50 per month. So it's like super expensive. A lot of these apps are like super expensive. Of course, you can add some additional coins in the wallet just by doing some tasks. But then, yeah, you can also see these movies. That's basically it. So if you're not happy with Drama Short, you can try this app. It just all depends on these rewards. Like, do you want to watch all of these ads and all of things or not? And basically, that's just what it is.